Surface areas and volumes, exercise 10.3, part 5. 11th problem. Water is pouring into a conical vessel of diameter 52 meters and slant height 6.8 meters as shown in the adjoining figure at the rate of 1.8 meter cube per minute. How long will it take to fill the vessel? So here there is a vessel in the shape of a cone. So diameter of the vessel is D is 5.2 meters. Okay, that means radius R is D by 2, 5.2 by 2, 2.6. So what is the slant height? L is 6.8 meters. It is given in the figure. So we have to calculate the height first. So what is the formula for height of a cone? If we have slant height and radius, height equal to square root of L square minus R square, where L is slant height and R is radius. So let us substitute the values of slant height and radius in this formula. So H equal to square root of L square minus R square, that is equal to square root of 6.8 whole square minus 2.6 whole square. So that is equal to square root of 46.24 minus 6.76 equal to 39.48, square root of 39.48, which is equal to 6.28 meters. So here first we have to calculate the volume of the conical vessel. So what is the formula for area of volume of a cone? Volume of a cone V equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So now we have radius 2.6 and height 6.28 meters. So let us substitute the values here. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 2.6 into 2.6 into 6.28, which is equal to 44.47 meter cube, because volume is always expressed in cubic units. So here all the dimensions are in meters, so volume is 44.47 meter cube. So what is the time taken to fill the vessel? So here the rate is given for every 1 minute 1.8 meter cube. So to fill 44.47 meter cube, how many minutes? So let us cross multiply and then divide 44.47 into 1 by 1.8, which is equal to 24.7 minutes after simplification. So the time taken to fill the conical vessel is 24.7 minutes. Two similar cones have volumes 12 pi cubic units and 96 pi cubic units. Okay, these are the volumes of two cones. If the curved surface area of the smaller cone is 15 pi square units, what is the curved surface area of the larger one? Okay, now we have two cones and we can observe that 12 pi cubic units is the volume of the smaller cone and 96 pi is the volume of the larger cone. So smaller cone area is CSA is 15 pi square units. So let us assume V1 and V2 and A1 and A2 as the volumes of smaller cones and bigger cones and areas of smaller cones and bigger cones respectively. So here it is given that for similar cones A1 by A2 whole cube equal to V1 by V2 whole cube. So if one is the smaller cone, V1 equal to 12 pi cubic units, V2 equal to 96 pi cubic units, A1 is 15 pi square units, A2 is how much? So let us substitute these values in the above formula. 15 pi by A2 whole cube equal to 12 pi by 96 pi whole square, pi cancelled. A2 whole cube equal to by cross multiplication. Okay, A2 whole cube equal to 15 cube into pi cube into 8 square, because 12 ones are 12, 12 8s are 96, so 8 square. So A2 whole cube equal to 15 cube pi into pi cube into 8 square is 64. So we can write 64 as 4 cube. 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64. So A2 whole cube equal to 15 into pi into 4 whole cube. So both sides, if we cancel the cubes, A2 equal to 15 into pi into 4. So A2 equal to 60 pi. So what is the CSA of the larger cone? It is 60 pi square units. Like, share and subscribe for more interesting videos on surface areas and volumes.